What's the matter? What?
Listen, it's not even that bad. I'd already seen it.
What the fuck?
It looks like a fucking girl's car! It looks like
Stop being such a pussy!
shit!
It's not actually on.
I like this car.
Fuck, it's actually on
No,
there!
that's not true.
Yeah.
Shit!
Stop it!
And he's all the way in Louisiana!
So what's your
He's
point?
fucking south! Shit!
Stop whining, bitch!
It's not on the news.
Shit! Dude, my dad's gonna think I'm fucking gay now! I
Yeah,
mean, he already thinks it!
I'm not
affirmative.
gonna think you're gay because
He's gonna think you're gay too! People already think you're gay with me! They're fucking sucking on your corn cob and shit!
You son of a bitch!
Fuck!
Shut the fuck up!
There's no fucking sound system! He just painted pink! God.
Stop that!
Fucking shut the fuck up!
What the fuck did I do wrong? Now listen to me very carefully. So shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! What the fuck? Goodbye.
Asshole.
I like this car.
Come on, don't bullshit me.
What does this mean?
what the heck?
Oh no.
So what are you doing here? I mean, you're just out here for a while, so we gotta make sure you're alright. So why are you filling up the hole?
Jeffrey fucking painted my car pink, and I'm gonna get back at him, dude.
I want to know what's going on, and I want to know right now.
What's this gonna do? He's not even here. It's not like we can push him in it again or anything.
I really don't care. Are you on my side or you on his?
Well, yeah, I'm on your
Help
side.
him do this shit?
No, I was working with you the whole time.
What do we gotta do?
Alright, chill. How would I have helped him do it? I was with you like literally all week.
Maybe that was a cover. Maybe you were distracting me. I don't fucking know.
Bullshit.
Distracting you is your idea to build the room.
Question me, dude.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them answered immediately.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I just, what's the point of this? I mean, even if you fill it for him to come back,
Get Mark here.
it's just for what?
Get Mark here, dude.
Alright. Let me just text him.
Get Mark here!
Don't fucking scream at me!
Alright, calm down.
You psychopathic bitch.
Alright, I mean, I texted him. I don't know if he's gonna respond right away. The shit. I don't know if I would stay here if I was you.
Good.
Like, seriously,
Get out.
lose
Trust me.
earlier.
Just do what I tell you.
I mean, did you see how like JK painted his car pink?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I said. I was like, I know. Oh,
Who is it this time? And look what we have here.
Alright? I heard my name next to it. I'm not alright. You really want to ask me that? Did you see the fucking car in the driveway?
No problemo.
It's fucking vagina pink! Jeffrey goes and fucking... Nice of you to shut up, finally. I don't want to fucking freak you out, but... This asshole, he hasn't helped me. Corn hasn't helped me once. He's been filming me fucking filling up the hole. I just need help.
You want to
help
fuck with me?
You help me?
Give me your address there.
I've got news for you. You're mine now. You belong to me.
That's what I was fucking afraid of. I just need someone to have my back!
No.
Talk to the hand.
That needs to go. I need you guys to move the motorcycle.
Go and kiss your mother's
I asked
behind.
you guys I know we need help with the room, but we need this out. We need this fucking out. Where? To the fucking hole!
I don't care.
So shut up, bitch!
You don't have to agree with this. Just hook me up here, have my back. I don't know if Corn's gonna have my back here, but I know you're strong enough to move this shit.
I'm a Terminator.
My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer.
You asked me to put the motor. Are you gonna help me or not?
No deal.
I need you to chill the freak out. Right Mark, now. Come on. You know I'm like,
Did you hear what I just said?
Fucking do this for me.
No.
You're asking me to put your brothers. You want me to do it? I have fucking ailments. I would do it myself.
And you expect me to believe you?
Here, stop. Here. No, I'm good. I'm good, dude. I got the camera. You're gonna help now? You wanna redeem yourself? Move whatever you gotta move. Get this shit out of here.
Don't touch anything. You're good.
Dude, you don't even have to be careful with it. Just grab the fucking bike.
Don't do that.
He doesn't even care about it. He doesn't care.
I don't care.
Here, you need me to... Here. You guys are fucking dilly-dallying. Come on. Fucking palm tree. There you go. Come on. Jesus Christ. Are you guys gonna move it or not?
Fuck you, asshole.
The wheel's facing this way, for Christ's sake.
Fuck you.
Come on, I know you're fucking stronger than that. Jesus, for fuck's sake. Move it!
Now listen to me very carefully.
No!
Jesus fucking Christ. Just turn it and let's go!
You want to fuck with me?
Guys.
But I hope you leave enough
Are
room
you
for my fist
purposely
because
trying
I'm
to
going to
drag
ram
it
it into your stomach and break your goddamn spine!
Here, I'll open up the door wider for you guys. There you go. Come on. I'll direct you. Come on. I don't know if you can squeeze. Let's go. Roll around. Can you operate the wheel now? What was that?
You idiot!
Fuck you.
If you guys have any problems, I can get Buzz here too. He would help do this. Because he's seen
No, it is not true.
What did to me. Good. Keep the momentum going. We're going right into that fucking hole. I said we're going right into the hole. I told you this. Oh, this asshole. He's got a lot of nerve, you know? He fucking paints the car pink and then skips town. You guys don't understand what it's like to have a brother.
Yes.
He's a fucking prick. Alright, I'm gonna move this door. We're gonna fucking... Ow, fuck! Somebody needs to move this door. Hold on. Move this door!
Shut up!
Hold it. Hold it. Come move the door, Corn. This is your redemption right now, dude. Get this shit out of the way. And then we're going in. We're dropping this shit in there. Come on! Jesus, fuck. Are you good, dude? You're starting to give me some weird vibes. What?
We're pushing a motorcycle into a pool of water.
Yeah, so it can be fucking ruined because you ruined my car!
One of us is in deep trouble.
You!
Bitch!
That's not the point!
It looked like crap before anyway.
Jesus
Correct.
fucking Christ. You've already dragged it this far. He's been wondering why it's out here. I can get it repainted, yeah, but he's making me look like a fucking pussy!
Stop being such a pussy! And
What do you have
enough?
to say to that? Thank you.
No problemo.
Just fucking get it in. Just drop it. Horn, help him. Get it in there. Just push it in there. Let's be done with this shit. Come on. Come on!
Shut the fuck up!
I'll relax when it's in the fucking hole. Get it in there, guys. Get it the fuck in there. Just drop it. Don't even care. Where are you going? Jesus, you guys couldn't even fucking get it in all the way.
Stop whining!
Ow.
You're carrying a camera and we're pushing like a 500-pound bike.
Kick it in there.
It's in there.
Kick it in there. I want that shit drenched. I don't want him to be able to get it out. Good, the mirror's broke. Good. There you go, you're strong. It's like a deadlift.
It's in. It's in the hole.
Excellent.
There's a high probability.
One of us is in deep trouble.
You. It is your destiny.
Whatever. Dude, guys, come on.
You one ugly motherfucker.
Well. Shit. Jeffrey, I hope you watch this and see. I'm sick of you trying to fucking take advantage of me, man. This is what you'll get, man. Enjoy your motorcycle, dude. I just gave it a bath. Apparently when water gets in the engine, it's ruined, so hope you got an extra $6 to pay. Fucking don't fuck with me!
Fuck you, asshole.